Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Ritter R525 case clamp. If you have questions about pricing or availability, please go to 360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. Also, at any given moment, we are processing anywhere from 40 to 50 plus machines that are not listed on our website. So please check back often. This is a Ritter R525 case clamp. It allows for 6,000 max PSI of operation. Does have a 50 3/4 inch by 92 inch capacity. Really simple to use. Obviously to go up and down here, left and right. So you have your horizontal and your vertical. So we're gonna just move the beam up. Again, to move it to left or right, you simply hit these buttons here. You are going to notice that there's air. Basically, there is a clutch on each one of the motors that is air operated, consumes very, very little air. You see that right up here. It's what engages the machine. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.